Hi class, my name is Instructor Fran and I want to welcome you to English 100 Critical Reading and Composition. For most students, this is the very first writing class that they have here at University of Phoenix. So if you're feeling excited or if you're feeling worried, I want to reassure you that I'm going to meet you at your skill level and help you improve as a writer. I have 3 main tips to help you in this class. The first one is to make sure each time you log on to class that you click on this message icon and see if there's any messages from me. There is not an indication on this icon if you actually have a message or not, so you have to click on it to see. This private message area is where I communicate one-on-one with you if there are any tips or any problems that need to be addressed. Secondly, I want you to be on the lookout for videos throughout the course content. Oftentimes, if there is a tricky point or something that needs to be clarified, I'll make a video about it and include it. So in all of the written assignment areas, you should see one. And also in week 3's discussion, because it's a little trickier, there'll be a video. Please watch these videos and because they should clarify questions, and if you still have questions after you watch the videos, make sure to send me a message. My third tip for you is to make sure you reach out to me if you have any questions. You can submit a question in this course question area, which everyone will be able to see, or you could click on messages and you could submit me a message one-on-one. So again, however you're feeling, I'm excited to have you in this class. I look forward to working with you this term.